Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone and the notification sounds on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here I have a Galaxy S25 Ultra and if you want to change the ringtone or the notification sounds, just go to the top to the quick access panel and here we have the icon for the ringtone. Just tap and hold on it. And from here you can change from sound to vibrate or mute. And also you can enable vibrate while ringing, and you can change the ringtone. To do that, just go here inside. You can change the ringtone volume. Also you can add a ringtone from your album or folder. And if you want to choose from these Samsung ringtones, just go here and watch the list. There are a lot of ringtones, and choose your favorite one. Let's say for example this one. Tap back and here is the new ringtone. Also you can change the notification sound. Again, go here. You can change from here the sound volume, and you can choose your favorite notification sound. Tap on it and then just go back, and here is the new notification sound. Also here we have the system sound. You can modify the volume for the system sound. You can enable touch interactions or disable these other features like dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, or screen lock or unlock. Okay, here is the volume. You can change the volume for ringtone, media, notification, system, AI assistant, or alarm. And here are some other settings for the vibrations, like call vibration, notification vibration, system vibration, or vibration intensity. Okay, so these are the settings for the sounds and vibrations. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you if you want to change your ringtone or notification sound, and I see you to the next one. Have a good day.